Hey folks, welcome back. Today we have probably the worst pair of Gucci's I've had in yet. Now, these are pretty horrid. I don't know what that is, some sort of glue or something, maybe on the laces. It's got some paint on the leather here. As you can see, it's just really tried in muck here. Put the gloves on today and we'll get started with these. I don't think this will lace through, so these are just going in the bucket. Inside this actually looks okay. Yeah, pretty good inside. A bit dusty. I think we'll start on the bottom here. This is deserving of a towel. Towel is down. I think the first thing we'll do is just see how much of this tried in dirt we can scrape out of here, just using the famous bent paper clip. Next, take a dry brush and I'm going to scrub over this. I'm going to use interior cleaner. See a few burn marks here. Again, I think people have been putting cigarettes out at the bottom of the shoe. Get a tub, some acetone. Just going to grab a toothbrush here. Very, very carefully. I really don't want to get this on the suede. I'm just going to get a bit of tissue here, dump in some of the acetone and just gently rub it in here, avoiding the leather and the suede. Very carefully around the front. Get rid of this towel. I'm just going to give the inside a quick clean out. is the outside. I'll give that a clean up. And as you can see, the gloves have dissolved in acetone. This is why you have to be really careful with it, especially around the rubber sole. And also strip the pigment right out the leather. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm just going to have a look, which is the paint. What I'll try at first is just some isopropyl alcohol that I've got. So squeeze some to here very carefully. Also seems to be some glue on here. Now for the suede, I'm going to try a suede rubber that I've got here. I'll just try a little bit first. That's actually working quite well. To make this a little easier, I'm going to put in a shoe tree. Got a little suede brush here. A lot better. Just going to go over it again. The side here is a bit dirty as well, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use some interior cleaner, keep it away from the suede now that I've cleaned it. Next, a quick dust off with the horsehair brush. Now let's put some nutrients into the leather. Just use some Saphir Renovateur. Just dab it on and work it in. Now while that dries in, I'm going to give the insoles a bit of a clean and probably a moisture as well, and get the other side caught up with this side. Now the Renovateur's dried in, I'm going to give them a sweep over the horsehair brush. Looking so much better already. Next I'm going to use some Saphir Modality R Black Cream. I'm going to apply this to the leather, which should help moisturise it even more, but also put black pigment into it as well. I'm just going to leave them to dry overnight, see what they're like in the morning. Just left this to dry overnight, because I'm going to do again with the horsehair brush. These are coming up lovely. Set in new laces to finish it off, and I must say, I'm quite happy with how they've turned out. Definitely a lot more street ready now. Paint and the glue is all gone. Much nicer shape. Lovely soles. Really happy with these.